How do I troubleshoot or fix an issue with the router lights?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an important topic: troubleshooting and fixing issues with your router lights. We'll walk through a step-by-step process that you can easily follow to solve common problems related to your router lights. Remember, understanding your router lights is crucial to maintaining a stable and secure internet connection.
What do the router lights mean?
The first thing to understand when troubleshooting router lights is what they mean. Different lights on your router signify different things. They might be indicating power, internet connection, Wi-Fi signals, or wired connection statuses. Most routers have lights that indicate power. This light is usually steady when the router is powered on and functioning properly. Internet or WAN. This light should be steady or blinking when you have a successful internet connection. Wi-Fi or WLAN. This light will blink or stay steady when Wi-Fi is enabled. Ethernet or LAN. These lights will generally be steady or blink when a device is correctly connected to the router via an Ethernet cable. It's important to check your router's manual, as the lights and their meanings can vary from router to router.
Troubleshooting common router light issues.
Is the power light off or red? If the power light on your router is off or red, this typically means that the router isn't receiving power. Try these steps. 1. Check the power source. Ensure your router is securely plugged into a working electrical outlet. 2. Try a different outlet or cable. If the router is plugged in but the light is still off, try using a different power outlet or power cable. 3. Reset your router. If the power light is red, try resetting your router. Use a paperclip or similar object to press the reset button for about 10 seconds. Is the Internet WAN light off or red? If the Internet WAN light is off or red, it means the router is not connecting to the Internet. Here's what you can do. 1. Check your Internet connection. Try connecting a device directly to your modem to see if the Internet connection is working. 2. Check the cables. Make sure the cable connecting the modem to the router is secure on both ends. 3. Restart your router and modem. Unplug the router and modem, wait for a few minutes, then plug them back in. Are the Wi-Fi, WLAN or Ethernet LAN lights off? If the Wi-Fi, WLAN or Ethernet LAN lights are off, it means there's a problem with the router's network connections. Follow these steps. 1. Check your devices. Ensure your devices are correctly connected to the router, either via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. 2. Restart your devices. Sometimes, restarting your devices can solve connectivity issues. 3. Update your router's firmware. An outdated firmware can cause connection problems. Visit your router's settings page to check for firmware updates. Troubleshooting router lights might seem intimidating at first, but with the right steps, you can easily diagnose and fix common issues. Remember, when in doubt, consult your router's manual or contact the manufacturer's customer support. We hope this guide has been helpful, and here's to stable, hassle-free internet connections.